We're back again, everyone. Jeremy with J&K Fun Tips. So we decided to get a GoPro and weren't sure which one to get. So we eventually decided on the new one, the 11. We're looking around for the best deals we could find on it. On the GoPro site, it's like $500 or $550, something like that, for just the GoPro. So we decided to try and look around to see if we could find a better deal somewhere else, and we did. We found one on Amazon. So we got a GoPro with a bundle of 50 pieces for a 3-year protection plan on it, or I think total after tax was $570 before tax. GoPro and 50 accessories was $500, or like $489 or something. I'll put a link in the description below for that. Yeah, so just got it today, and like I said before, this is amazing shipping on this one as well. We're supposed to get it on the 10th, so next Friday. We ordered it at the beginning of the week. And this came yesterday, so it came a week early, which is awesome. So the company that we got it from, I forget the name, but like I said, I'll put a link in the description below. So here's the GoPro 11. This comes with a carrying case right here. Nice little hard carrying case. Pretty sturdy. It comes with your light attachment. Your light. I think your light and attachment are in this. Submersible LED video light for action cameras. So yeah, you can put the light underwater. Apparently with this. Here's all the stuff that's in it. Your case for it, the light, cord, mounting brackets, all that fun stuff. Well, let's add a little pile over here, right? So this is the chest strap. If you want to put it on yourself and walk around kind of like Iron Man, you can do that. Can get that first-person view for videos. But this one is like kind of for your forehead, kind of like one of those lights you see with mine workers and stuff. So as you can see, it's put on your forehead, and that way you get the actual first-person view of it. Here it is, your selfie stick or monopod with GP selfie stick. Yep, the selfie stick there. You got a submersible housing for GoPro action camera right there. Comes with 2 replacement batteries along with the battery it comes with. So you have 3 batteries, which is awesome. So you pretty much never have to worry about running out of batteries when you're filming on the go. Here's your charger for the 2 batteries, or any 2 batteries you're not using. There you go. You have a suction cup window mount, so you can use this for like a dash cam. So that's kind of cool. You got your dash cam right there. I don't know how they fit all this stuff in here. So wrist strap, if you want to do like kind of a pointing thing with your wrist, you can do that too. Like Iron Man when he shoots people with lasers. This is a mini tabletop tripod. Alright. So you just put it on your table. I'm guessing it sits like that. Probably not that half the table, but yeah. Alright. You got a floaty bobber. So you can kind of let it sit in the water and kind of bob around. Then you don't have to worry about it. Make sure you have your waterproof case on it when you do that, just to be safe. I think it is a waterproof camera, but better safe than sorry with something that expensive. Here is a curved mount. So this one, I think it's for like windows that aren't flat. So it's like a motorcycle. You can put it on there because those windshields aren't flat; they're curved. So this will fit a lot easier on your motorcycle if you want to put it on there. Here's some more curved mounts. This is a silicone case. So in case you drop your GoPro, this way it's less likely to get damaged. A little nice extra security insurance for you. J-hook. So you can put this on to your mounts, like your dog harness mount that I showed you earlier on another video. So this is separate, but you can put this mount can go onto that, or it can go onto the chest mount as well, or the wrist one. Either one, I'm sure. They all work the same pretty much. They just clip in. This is a handlebar and seat post kit. So if you want to ride your bicycle around, put it on that. Do some cool tricks like BMX and do some flips and stuff. Gonna get all crazy with it. Do some handlebar spins, make people dizzy. Whoever's watching the videos. Have some fun with it, right? And then a helmet mount. Put this on your motorcycle helmet. Yep. You can do some headbanging, like you're at a rock concert if you want to. Make people really dizzy that way too. Like I said, have some fun with it. Alright, you have your digital writer. So you can put your SD card in here and then just plug it into your computer. Or if your computer has the plugins for the card it separately, just pop it in that way, it doesn't matter. Either way it works. This is a buckle mount. Apparently you can put this on your buckle. Just kind of walk around like that all day. I'm not sure why you would, but hey, whatever you want to do is your business. And a 64 gigabyte memory card. I think this holds like probably for 8K videos. Probably holds like 60 to 80 hours of video, I think. Something like that. Yeah, like I said, this is the best deal that we found. I mean, look at this. You get all this stuff. I can't even fit all this in the box anymore. And it's just crazy. So all this stuff, you get 50 things. And the GoPro. So all this for like $49 before tax, after tax, with a 3-year protection plan. It is, there you go. So yeah, after a 3-year protection plan after tax, I think it was like $570. Still, go on the GoPro site. This by itself is $500. You go on Amazon, that, and all of this. Memory card, mounts, everything. $70 more after tax with a 3-year protection plan. So, highly recommend it. Awesome. Like I said, we haven't tested it out yet, but we will. Alright, I'll do some videos later with that. And thank you very much. Like and subscribe as always, and have a great day.